Hi, everyone. I'm so excited to learn more ASL with you today. We're helping Zane prepare for his upcoming family reunion. Hello, friends. Our goal for today is to be able to introduce ourselves, share our favorite hobbies, and our favorite colors. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before we dive in to new vocabulary, let's review some signs from our last lesson. Name. Deaf. Hearing. Hard of hearing. Favorite. Best. Read. Draw. Swim. Sports. Pause here to practice our review signs. You can use your guided notes from our last lesson to help. Now, let's learn some new signs to prepare for my family reunion. These signs will help us introduce ourselves and talk about favorites. To sign friend, use two X hand shapes. Hook the X's together and then flip them so that the X that was on the bottom moves to the top. Friend. Sign it with me. Friend. To sign color, use an open 5 hand shape, palm in, and wiggle your fingers in front of your chin. Color. Sign it together. Color. To sign favorite color, sign favorite and add color. For example, my favorite color is red. Let's practice together. I will sign slowly. Repeat after me. Friend. Color. Favorite color. Sign it again with me. Friend. Friend. My favorite color. My favorite color. Great job! Pause here to practice signing friend, color, and my favorite color. Now that I know the signs for friend, and my favorite color. Let's see what this looks like when Zane introduces me to one of his relatives. Follow along and try to pick out the signs we just reviewed. Watch closely. There will be no voiceover here. Did you notice how we used signs like name, favorite, hobby, and love it? Try practicing these sentences at home with your friends or family. Another fun thing you can add to your introduction is your favorite color. I'm going to teach you the colors so you can tell someone new a little bit more about yourself. Ready? Follow along. To sign red, start with a 1 hand shape near your lips and move it down your chin into an X. Red. Try it with me. Red. To change this sign to pink, keep the same location and movement, but use the letter P. Pink. Can you sign it? Pink. In the same location, the color orange is signed right at the chin. Use the letter O and squeeze it like an orange. Orange. You try. Orange. To sign blue, use a B hand shape at your shoulder level and wave it twice. Blue. Try it. Blue. Keep your hand here to sign a few more colors. These colors are initialized, so they follow the same location and movement, but only change the letter used. To sign green, keep the same space and motion, but change the letter to G. Green. Sign it with me. Green. For yellow, keep it going. Change the letter to Y and wave it twice. Yellow. You try it. Yellow. The last one we are doing here today is purple. Keep the same space and motion and change the letter to P. Purple. You sign it. Purple. These last two colors are a little different. To sign black, use a one-hand shape and start it at the end of your forehead. Swipe it across your forehead and back. Black. Can you sign it? Black. For white, use a 5-hand shape at your chest. Slowly pull it forward to a closed flat O. White. White. Sign it with me. White. Pause the video here and try to combine what we have learned. Sign my favorite color, what, and sign your favorite color. Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. My favorite color, what? You can sign whatever color is your favorite. I will be signing red because my favorite color is red. Ready? I'll show you again. My favorite color, what? Red. Now you try. My favorite color, what? Great job! Now, let's see how Zane and I use colors in conversation. There will be no voiceover for this portion. Did you notice how we signed our favorite colors? Try practicing with a partner or in front of a mirror. Good job today! Before we go, here's a challenge. Ask your family or friends what their favorite color is and show them how to sign it. Keep practicing, and I'll see you later. Bye! Hey, hey.